In this video, we're going to take a look at how to get construction work in Australia. Construction tradesmen are in high demand as there is currently a significant labour shortage in Australia. Whether you're looking for specific trade or general labouring work, you are most likely to find some work as long as you meet certain requirements before applying for a job. So what is construction work? As outlined on the Safe Work SA website, construction work is defined as any work carried out in connection with the construction, alteration, conversion, fitting out, commissioning, renovation, repair, maintenance, refurbishment, demolition, decommissioning or dismantling of a structure. Construction work can be housing, commercial or civil construction. If you are skilled in labour, it should be relatively easy for you to find a job in the construction industry. Among the trades that are highly in demand include carpentry, welding, plumbing, plastering, painting and more. If you do not have a trade, you do not need to worry because there are various general unskilled labour jobs available as well. Basically, your role will be to assist a tradesman, such as carrying tools and materials, helping to put up or take down scaffolding, cleaning areas and clearing sites, amongst others. So how do you go about getting construction work in Australia? Now, getting a job in the construction industry in Australia is quite easy. However, there are a few requirements that you have to complete before you can start any particular job. So number one, training. Everyone aged 14 and above working or planning to work on a construction site is required by law to complete the occupational health and safety induction training before he or she can legally start working on any construction site. Number two, other trainings. These are trainings conducted on site and on the job. So this could be site-specific induction training, which is training that is organised by the employer or construction site so that workers will be aware of the health and safety procedures specific to that particular site. Or it could be task-specific training, which is conducted at the worksite to equip workers for a specific task. This will enable them to understand how to perform their tasks safely. Number three, personal protective equipment. This is required for all sites across Australia to help avoid the health and safety risks that workers face while performing their tasks. This includes goggles to protect their eyes, high visibility clothing, hard hats, steel-toed boots, face masks and earplugs. Here's a tip for you. Inquire from your employer what gear they will provide and what you will need to purchase yourself. This way, you will not waste your resources buying and purchasing what may have been provided for free or purchasing the wrong gear. Number four, physical requirements of manual labour. You must be physically strong, enough to be able to lift generally at least 25 kilograms. Be willing to work outdoors and for long hours. Be able to listen carefully and fully understand instructions. And be a team player. So to work on a construction site, you'll need to obtain a white card. A white card is your proof as well as your employer's proof that you have taken the OH&S induction training course. Now, once you've completed the course, this will be sent to you by post. So while you're waiting for your white card, you'll be given an OH&S induction training certificate as your temporary proof that you have already completed the course. The white card is recognised in all states and jurisdictions across Australia. If you're unsure about your particular state, we have more information on this site which breaks it down state by state. It is not transferable and it has no expiration date as long as you've been continuously working in the construction industry. It is highly recommended that you bring it along with you at all times whenever you enter a construction site. So where can I apply for a white card? You can apply for a white card from any registered training organisation or white card training provider in Australia. You have the option to either undergo a face-to-face training course, which will generally take about 6 hours to complete, or you can take the course online, which will take you about 4 hours to complete, depending on your pace. How much will it cost to do the course? The cost of getting a white card varies per provider, but the rates are generally under the $100 mark. However, it is not always the best case that you choose one that's just got the lowest price because it doesn't necessarily offer you the best training. We decided to do a little bit of research for you and we recommend you check out a particular training provider that we'll list underneath this video on our website. They'll allow you to take the course for free and you'll only pay for the course once you've passed, so definitely check them out now.